Good day, welcome to my tutorial how to change a golf grip. So I've got my driver here and the grip's been used for about 3 or 4 years and I need to put on a new grip. So I've got exactly the same model here and we're going to be doing it in a hurry. So what you need is two-sided tape, white spirits or methylated spirits, or some people use petrol, and the Stanley knife. Okay, let's begin. We get this and we have to cut it, and don't cut your finger off. I'm slicing right down. This is a graphite shafted driver, so I'm just making sure that I don't cut into the graphite too far. I must only just touch it. Once I've broken the edge, I can start tearing. I'm just using brute strength. It's off. Okay, so this is the tape I used last time. I'm going to leave that on there. I'm just going to put some other tape in between. Two-sided tape. I know that it's the same grip, so I'm going to have the exact same starting point. And I'm just going to give it the twirly-whirly. Now it's on there, then I peel the other bit off. So two-sided tape is now exposed, the sticky side both sides. That's got a stickiness to it, I can feel that. Now this is important, make sure you get the tape going all the way around the butt. Alright, what you've got to do is you've got to leave an air hole there. Now it's important to have it going right around and tuck it in. Tuck it in. Okay, and I've left a little bit there which I'm going to have to put on top. So I've just got a little patch and I'm just going to put it on there. Oh, it's so sticky. It's so sticky. Oh. Okay, now this is not just going to slide on there. We've got to use white spirit. It's going to make this not so sticky, make it nice and slidey. Now, here's a brand new bottle. I want quite a lot on there, so I actually really dipping that in there. Now watch this, I want some white spirit inside here. So put the thing right in, hold the little hole in the top, and you'll suck a little bit out. Okay, it's not working well. I'll tell you what, just pour a little bit in from the like that. I've poured a little bit in there and I'm holding the bottom. and I just shake it all around. Now I've got about 5 milliliters in there, and I just pour that on the grip. I'm outside, so it doesn't matter, and then I slide this grip straight on. So I just got to get the name and line it up with the club face. Look at that slide. It's sliding so beautifully down there. Oh yeah, it's sliding with a little bit of resistance, and don't block the back. You need that. You need the air to escape. Then that little bit more, you just keep pushing, sliding and forcing that further down, like that. Okay, I think that's ready now. We just got make sure the name and the spine, if there's a spine in the grip, it must line up with the club face. Okay. Now an important thing, always make sure this is all the way in. So I like to tap it onto the ground. I'm just taking the excess sticky stuff off. Now that should be perfect. It'll be ready in 20 minutes.